Okay. So C++ also helps us with max. So how is that? So whenever you are willing to find some of the solution for your mathematical problems, you can use the C++ math and you can find the solutions more easier way than a written format. Okay. So the only thing you need to use in order to write C++ math programs is this header file. Okay, so math.h is a header file which is used to perform some mathematical operation. So let us discuss what are the mathematical operations C++ is supported with. Okay, so min and max is one of those. So min and max is a functions, and we are using this min and max to find the minimum and maximum number in the given objects. Okay, so when I write C out, and I will be going to use max of 10 and 15. So we know that the maximum of 10 and 15 is 15. But let us try this using the computer language. Okay. So in order to use this max function, your math.h header file should be included. So I will save this file and run. So let us wait for the answer. So as you can see, 15. 15 is the maximum number, and this is the output which is given using the max function. Similarly, you can use the min function using the min word. Min keyword is a word used. So here goes minimum function. So these are some of the functions which are supported by C++. So C++ math help us to perform some mathematical operations or tasks on a number. Okay, so we have also have a C++, CMath. What is this CMath now? So CMath is also a header file. So CMath is also a header file. And this CMath helps us to use operations such as square root. So SQRT, square root is nothing but finding the square root of a number. So when I try to use the square root of 4, the answer will be 2. So these kind of operations can be done using square root. In order to use these functions, we need to use CMath header file. So square root and few more examples called as round. Round gives us the round of a number. So whenever you are using the decimal numbers, you can get the round off of the number. And also we can use log functions. So log is also used under the CMath. Okay. So let us take an example for each of these to check how does it work. Okay. So I'm going to take SQRT of a simple number, a well-known number of 4. So what is the 4 square root? Obviously, the 4 square root is 2, right? So 2 is the square root of 4. So when I run this program, so let us check the answer. So 2 is the square root of 4. So similarly, I'm using cout log of 2. So that gives some round of number. Let's check that. Okay, so 20.693147 is the log of 2 value. Okay, so also we can use round off. Round off 2.6. Let us see what is the answer, which is a round of 2.6. Don't forget to use the semicolon. And what is a round of 6 now? Okay, let us clear it. So you can find the round of 2.6 by using the round keyword. Okay. Okay. So as you can see, the round off of 2.6 is 3. So these are some of the operations which can performed on C math. Okay, there are some more other math functions. So let us discuss or let us declare few math functions. Okay. So one is cos. So cos function. So if at all you have learned about this trigonometry, you might have known what is cos is. So similarly, sine function. Okay, similarly tan function. So in order to make these functions work, you need to use the cmath.h header file. Okay, so this is the file which where every of your math functions are pre-built. Okay, so here you can write that, and a tan is the function used, and cos h. So all kind of trigonometry functions can be used here. Okay, and also you can find the exponential by using exp and when any of the variables. So exponential functions can be used, and also hypothesis function can be used. Hypot by giving two object values. Okay, and also you can use some of the function called as power. So you can use the power by giving a power of a number. So you can find the power of a number by using POW function. So there are many more functions. You can just browse it if at all you are willing to use any of these functions. So you can just try by using these functions, and you can get the output rather than writing and finding the value for everything. So this is all about C++ math function.